In Mandeville, Louisiana, Paradise Bowling Alley has been a local favorite for years. To boost safety, efficiency, and atmosphere, the property recently completed a full lighting retrofit using high-performance LED solutions from Westgate Manufacturing. The highlight: Westgate's SCX linear fixture in a sleek black finish delivers bright, uniform illumination throughout the lanes, creating a modern and inviting environment. In a bowling alley, visibility is everything. Players, spectators, and staff all depend on steady light that stays uniform across more than 60 feet. Complementing the design, stylish pendant lights add warmth and character to the space, ensuring smooth, even brightness from lane to lane. No shadows, no hot spots, just clean, consistent light. Westgate LED lighting offers products with high color rendering options, revealing true colors, the warmth of the wood lanes, the brilliance of the bowling balls, the vibrancy of every detail. The result: a brighter, more energy efficient, and visually elevated bowling experience. Westgate LED lighting, built to perform, built to last. Visit westgatemfg.com and click the Design tab to get started. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.